Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to your favorite channel, where we turn your purchasing dilemmas into delightful decisions. Today, we're diving into a tech battle of epic proportions, the Apple iPhone 13 versus the Samsung Galaxy S22. It's iOS versus Android, Apple versus Samsung, the fruit versus the, well, not fruit. Let's get ready to rumble. First up, let's talk about the price. The iPhone 13 comes in at a cool $593. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S22 is a steal at $379. So if you're saving up for that private island, the Galaxy S22 might help you get there a bit faster. Sorry, Apple fans, looks like your wallet's going on a diet. Now on to the display. The iPhone 13 rocks a Super Retina XDR display, but the Galaxy S22 flexes with a dynamic AMOLED 2X 120Hz HDR10+ display. Whoa, Samsung! It's like having a mini IMAX in your pocket. Sorry, Apple, but your display is so last season. Reviewers love the vibrant and smooth display of the Galaxy S22, while the iPhone 13's display, although good, doesn't quite match up. Camera time. The iPhone 13 has a dual 12-megapixel system, while the Galaxy S22 boasts a 50-megapixel shooter. With the Galaxy S22, you'll be capturing every pore on your friend's face. Perfect for those awkward close-ups. The iPhone 13? Well, it's great if you prefer your friends to look like they're in a soft-focus soap opera. Reviewers say the iPhone 13 takes solid photos, but the Galaxy S22's camera is a game-changer. Performance-wise, the iPhone 13 has Apple's A15 Bionic chip, while the Galaxy S22 packs an octa-core processor with 8 GB RAM. It's the battle of the brains. iPhone 13 is like the Einstein of smartphones, but don't count out the Galaxy S22, it's got the muscle to back up that brain power. You decide if you want brains or brawn. Reviewers praise the iPhone 13 for its seamless performance and the Galaxy S22 for its robust multitasking capabilities. Features galore! The Galaxy S22 comes with Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type-C 3.2, and a dual-band GPS. The iPhone 13 has, well, it's an iPhone, so it has whatever Apple decided you need. Apple's like that mysterious chef who never lets you see the recipe. Samsung's more like your grandma, showering you with features and making sure you're well fed. Reviewers appreciate the feature-rich experience of the Galaxy S22, while some find the iPhone 13's offerings to be more streamlined but limited. Overall, reviewers have a lot to say about both phones. The iPhone 13 is praised for its performance, solid camera, and good battery life, but some users have noted minor cosmetic issues and occasional hardware problems. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy S22 receives high marks for its sleek design, impressive display, and advanced camera capabilities, though some users have reported connectivity issues and minor signs of wear. Both phones have their pros and cons, but they each offer great value in their own ways. So there you have it, folks. The iPhone 13 and the Galaxy S22 head-to-head. If you're an Apple diehard, go ahead and splurge on the iPhone 13. But if you're looking for bang for your buck and a feature-packed experience, the Galaxy S22 might just be your new best friend. Thanks for watching another epic showdown on Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our next product face-off. And leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, buy smart and stay savvy.